أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening chapter of the Quran, is not just a prayer, it is the foundation of Islamic belief and a blueprint for human life. Described as Kitab, the mother of the book, Surah Al-Fatiha encapsulates the core principles of faith, divine mercy, guidance, and moral responsibility. Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Sadruddin's tafsir reveal that Surah Al-Fatiha is not only a spiritual guide, but also a source of scientific wisdom, offering insights into human nature and the universe that modern science has only recently begun to uncover. Let us reflect on the first 3 verses and explore how they align with both spiritual truths and scientific realities. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, all praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. Alhamdulillah, Maulana Muhammad Ali explains that praise is the highest form of gratitude and recognition of Allah's perfection. Praise implies acknowledging Allah as the source of all goodness, in creation, sustenance and moral guidance. Rabbil Alamin, Lord of all the worlds. Rab, Lord, means not just creator but also sustainer, nurturer and regulator. Allah's lordship extends to the physical world, planets, stars, ecosystems, the spiritual world, divine guidance and moral order, and the intellectual and emotional realm, human consciousness and thought. Modern science confirms the concept of Allah as Rab through the fine-tuning of the universe. The strength of gravity is precisely balanced. If it were slightly stronger or weaker, life would not exist. The Earth's position in the habitable zone ensures that water remains in liquid form, supporting life. The composition of the atmosphere, 21% oxygen, is ideal for human and animal respiration. The Quranic view of Allah as Rab also aligns with the concept of ecosystem balance. The carbon and nitrogen cycles maintain ecological stability. The delicate predator-prey balance ensures population control and food chain sustainability. Human survival depends on this divine balance, scientifically observable but spiritually rooted. Just as rain sustains physical life, divine revelation sustains spiritual life. The Quran compares revelation to rain, and we have sent down blessed rain from the sky and made grow thereby gardens and grain from the harvest. Surah Kaf 59. Rain brings life to the earth by nourishing vegetation, which in turn sustains animals and humans. Likewise, divine revelation nourishes the soul, providing moral and spiritual guidance that sustains human character and faith. Maulana Sadruddin explains that spiritual growth comes from following divine law, just as plants grow from rainwater. Gratitude, alhamdulillah, triggers the brain's dopamine and serotonin release, improving mental clarity and emotional strength. Positive psychology research confirms that gratitude increases happiness and resilience, aligning with the Quranic teaching that recognition of Allah's mercy brings inner peace. Ar-Rahman-ir-Rahim, the most gracious, the most merciful. Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Sadruddin explain the distinction between Rahman and Rahim. Ar-Rahman, Allah's universal mercy that extends to all creation, Muslim or non-Muslim, righteous or sinful. Ar-Rahim, Allah's special mercy that continuously supports and rewards those who seek guidance and righteousness. Rahman reflects Allah's mercy in the provision of natural resources, sustenance, and the ecosystem's order. Rahim reflects Allah's guidance, moral strength, and spiritual reward for those who consciously strive for goodness. The Quran says, "And we sent down water from the sky in due measure, and we caused it to settle in the earth." Surah Al-Mu'minun 23:18. The water cycle is one of the most profound examples of Allah's mercy, Rahman. Oceans cover 70% of the Earth's surface, storing and regulating heat. Solar energy causes evaporation, forming clouds that bring rain. Rain sustains vegetation, which feeds animals and humans. Allah's mercy operates even at the genetic and cellular level. DNA repair mechanisms, constantly fixing genetic mutations to preserve life. The immune system, designed to detect and fight harmful pathogens without conscious effort. Homeostasis, the body's ability to regulate temperature, oxygen levels, and pH balance, reflects divine mercy at a micro level. Acts of kindness and moral integrity positively influence gene expression. Studies show that faith and gratitude upregulate beneficial genes linked to immunity and emotional well-being. Allah's mercy, Rahim, is not only spiritual, it is biologically programmed into human nature. Malikiyyat translates to Master of the Day of Judgment. The term Malik signifies Allah's absolute authority and ownership over all creation. Maulana Muhammad Ali explains that Allah's justice ensures that every action is weighed fairly on the Day of Judgment. Governments enforce laws to protect society, not to harm citizens. Poor hygiene leads to disease outbreaks. Pollution increases respiratory diseases. Malnutrition results in developmental issues. Traffic accidents increase without road laws. Similarly, Allah's system of accountability protects human life and spiritual health. Just like governments create laws to sustain social order, hell is not simply a punishment center, it's a place of spiritual healing. Just as hospitals use painful treatments like surgery to heal diseases, hell treats spiritual diseases. Arrogance, greed, hatred and selfishness are spiritual infections. Hell purifies the soul so it can enter heaven, a place of perfect peace and harmony. Punishment is not cruelty. It is Allah's mercy, designed to heal the soul and restore its spiritual health. Surah Al-Fatiha is a blueprint for human success, spiritually, scientifically, and socially. Alhamdulillah signifies gratitude and recognition of divine perfection. Ar-Rahmaniyya reflects universal and specific mercy in creation and guidance. Malikiyyat emphasizes justice and accountability as a source of spiritual balance and healing. The Quran is not just a book of faith, it's a source of knowledge that transcends time and human understanding. Modern science is only now discovering what the Quran revealed 1400 years ago, from the fine-tuning of the universe to the complex structure of human DNA. This perfect harmony between revelation and science proves that the Quran is not a product of human knowledge. It is a divine message from the creator of the universe. Quran, a timeless miracle. If you found this insightful, please like, comment, and share so that more people can discover the profound wisdom of the Quran. This video was created by Ahmadiyya Anjuman Ishat Islam Lahore, Badarwa, India. Quran, a timeless miracle. May Allah open our hearts and minds to truly understand the wisdom of the Quran and guide us to live by its teachings.